Hoping that winter would starve the Farthing Wood animals, Scarface prowled their boundaries, terrifying the unwilling weasel into being his spy and picking off any creature he saw.
Ah!
Oh, no.
She was on Farthing Land.
Nobody's safe with him around.
Then Badger returned, suggesting they scavenge from the humans outside the park. The Blue Fox clan had the same idea, but it went wrong.
My poor babies.
I'll get back at him. Don't you worry, my lady. I thought we had an agreement, Weasel.
Yes, we have.
But you haven't kept it, have you?
What do you mean?
You didn't tell me about the raid.
What raid?
The raid your friend, Fox, led on the farm last night.
Did he?
Don't pretend you didn't know.
But I didn't.
Then you should have known, shouldn't you? It's your job to know, and then to tell me.
How could I possibly know what was going on? I've not been near Farthing Land for ages. I was injured. I can hardly walk.
Oh, did Scarface hurt the little weasel then? Well, the little weasel had better be very careful, or he'll hurt her some more. I want to know anything and everything that goes on Farthing Land. Do you understand me? You'd better.
Are you all right?
Are you stupid?
No, I hid.
So I noticed. Nasty, mean, ugly, blue bot. Call it a brush, more like a rabbit's bobtail. Blue bot, meh.
Shh, shh.
Measley, I'm scared. I don't want to tell tales on Fox.
Why not? It's him or you.
But I can't.
Then Scarface will have you for breakfast.
Suppose I kept right out of Fox's way, stayed off Farthing Land. You know, I mean, I can't tell old Blue Bot what I don't know, can I?
Didn't help you just now. He said it's your job to know. I mean, you're supposed to be his spy, Weasel.
I know, but...
Weasel, I like you. In fact, I think you're gorgeous. In fact, I'm dotty about you. But if you're going to be silly, I'm not going to stay around to see the result. I want to live, even if you don't.
Cowardy, cowardy custard! Cowardy, cowardy custard! Measley? Measley, come back! I'm lonely. I'll just keep myself to myself then. I know! I'll sing to keep up my spirits. La 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 la. Ow! Hello? Anybody in?
I need someone to keep me warm.
An old mole like you. You should be ashamed of yourself.
The warden has gone.
What? Are you sure?
He was taken away. He looked very ill.
I can't believe it.
Your friend, the cat, was taken away too, in a cage.
Oh, no.
What's going on?
Our protector, the warden, has gone.
Oh no! No, what are we going to do? Where's Fox gone? Don't panic!
Did you say the warden's gone?
No, I said the moon was made of green cheese.
Is it really? Vole has been found dead. Poor Vole.
I don't know. First winter, then no warden. We're dropping like flies as it is. Heaven knows what'll happen to us now.
I'm rather worried about old Moley. Haven't seen him in ages.
And then there's Weasel. Anyone seen her lately?
There goes Whistler, looking after Kestrel.
The blind leading the blind.
Whistler isn't blind. Neither is Kestrel.
It was a figure of speech.
Cut the cackling. We're all in this together. Come on, I'm hungry. Time we had another raid on that farm. What do you say?
And then a new danger threatened us.
I know that sound. It's a gun.
Poachers aren't a farthing land problem, you know. It was a deer they killed, not any of you.
They were aiming at a pheasant when they got me.
Sorry I spoke, I'm sure.
The deer shared their hay with the grass eaters amongst us. It's our turn to look after them. I say we set up a watch.
Good idea, Fox.
I'll help.
You? What good are you? Your wings damaged.
I don't see with my wings, Owl, and my eyes are fine.
Field Mouse might have something to say about that.
Excuse me, but I vote we get on with it. Anybody want to argue? Right. First watch, Whistler. You and Kestrel had better take the wood. Al, if you could fly around the park boundary from time to time.
Are you sure you actually want my assistance?
We couldn't do it without you, Owl.
I'm glad someone appreciates me.
Shouldn't we rest until it's our turn?
I'm so hungry. If we don't catch something to eat first, I'll fall asleep on watch.
Good luck.
Thanks, Kestrel. There goes Whistler, patrolling the boundary of Farthing Land.
I'm so used to his whistle. It's comforting somehow.
Thought you'd like some company, dear. So here I am. My, it's a lovely night for watching, isn't it? Look at that moon. Doesn't it make you feel romantic? I know it does me. To think we're the only herons in the park. But not for long, my dear. It will soon be spring, when a heron's thoughts turn to chicks.
My dear, we are not alone.
Soon we will be building our little nest. Shh! Don't you shush me, Kestrel. I can see you, and I shall talk if I want to.
Perhaps we should move on, my dear. It doesn't need all of us to watch the wood.
Hello, Badger. How's it going?
Shh.
No manners. Unsociable lot.
Oh, peace at last.
What is it?
A stoat. We'd be doing the park a favour getting rid of it. Gently does it.
Oh, there's Fox. How's it going, Fox?
Arrgh.
No need to bat my head off. I was only asking a civil question. I didn't have to come out tonight, you know. I could have stayed by the pond enjoying myself. But no, I came out here in the cold to keep watch for your friends. I'm too unselfish, that's my trouble. Always thinking of others. Yes, that's me. But I shall know better in future. Oh! Yes, Whistler. It's the last time I offer my services to your farthing friends. The very last time.
It is a pity. That stoat would have satisfied both of us.
They can plead with me all they like. Get down on their bended knees, it'll make no difference. I am not lending my services again. No, sirree.
Madam,
You were speaking to me?
go home.
Huh, well, I know when I'm not wanted. Look.
We'd better warn the stag.
The poachers are coming. Fox has gone round the other side to warn the stag.
Run!
Oh, no. Come on, let's find Fox.
Calm down. The men are going. It's over. Thank you, Fox. Your warning saved some of us.
But not all. There must be a way to stop the poachers.
But how?
All we can do is warn you.
I've got an idea.
Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Give me one good reason why not. A stoat's beneath the notice of a lady like you. True, but in cold weather we all have to take what we can get. No, don't! I can help you! You can indeed. You can help me please my mate. He's hungry. Wouldn't it please him more still to have news of the Farthing Wood fox? That rather depends. Tell me more. My love, do wake up. No, don't be angry with me. I've brought you news.
I'd rather have a meal.
About the red fox. He's got a scheme to stop the poachers.
What? Why didn't I hear about this? Where's Weasel? Weasel?
Where are you?
Everywhere.
Oh dear. I don't know anything. Not anything at all.
I haven't asked you anything yet.
I still don't know.
This plan of Foxy's to catch the poachers.
I don't know anything about it. Why don't you believe me?
Think you can run away from me, do you?
Need some help, my love?
Don't just stand there.
I'll do all I can, my love.
It's now or never.
We must organize sentries.
I trust Whistler will keep Speedy well away from the scene.
But we must have Whistler. We need everyone we've got, now that the mice and voles have gone. Oh, that reminds me. Where's Weasel?
I hope we haven't lost her.
It seems woefully unlikely.
Shall I look for her?
Yes, Kestrel. Now, Hare, you're good at feeling vibrations. You'll get wind of the poachers first, so you keep watch at the boundary near the farm.
Ouch! Hello, old friend. I'm no friend of yours. I'm a gorse bush. No, you're not. You're Weasel. Oh, why don't you leave me alone? But I've got to tell you about Fox's plan. We need you to keep watch at the other side of the pond. Go away! Go away!
Everyone in place?
All but Weasel.
She has become most elusive, I must say.
Oh, I found her. She was pretending to be a gorse bush.
That Weasel is up to no good.
That's not unusual. There's Whistler going to his post.
We'd better do the same. Poachers always come in the evening.
Fearfully, the herd awaited the poachers.
Al? Excuse me, but I felt something. It's them. I'm sure it is. Kestrel's seen them too.
I'd rather see for myself.
There isn't time. Fly to Fox. Fly to Fox.
They're here.
Stand by. They're coming.
Rest a while.
No, I've got to draw them this way.
Now's our chance to steer that irritating fox right into the poacher's hands. I'll scuttle his plans, all right.
I'm not going, and neither are you.
Yes, I am. I wouldn't miss this.
But you might get shot.
You'll be there to protect me.
No, I won't.
Leave them. Come with us.
I say, Fox, has anyone seen Moley?
Can you tell me if I'm going the right way for the pond?
Huh? Yes. Let's carry on down the hill.
Ouch!
Hurry, hurry! They're making for the stone circle.
Thanks, Squirrel.
Bark! 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 Bark!
Oh, they are noisy.
Bark! Bark!
Stand by! They're almost here!
Oh, this is exciting. It is exciting, isn't it?
Shut up!
The humans are falling into his trap.
And he is going to fall into mine. Not too fast. You're not getting away so easily. Come on, shoot him!
Oh, no.
The poachers had been paid for their trouble, and the deer was safe.
She's a jolly good girl. For she's a jolly good girl. For she's a jolly good girl. Which nobody can deny.
That Farthing Wood fox has brought trouble down on all our heads.
But how? If he sent off the poachers?
They'll be back, and when they are back, they'll be angry.
Well, it could have been worse, couldn't it?
Of course I'm glad. It's just... Oh, nothing.
You are a funny little thing. It's not like you to be nervous.
Well, perhaps it's because I'm going to have cubs.